Dum 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 dee dum.
Thank you.
Okay.
Huh?
Ow!
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Someone needs help. Hello? We need help. Take us to the big swimming pool.
Wow! Look at this! Such a big present for you!
Alice, I'm gonna help you open it.
Okay!
Hamster!
Got him! Got him!
Wait! That's what I need. Oh, super! But where I can't find the arrows? What is it? Here we go!
Chris! Huh?
Uncle, look!
The gate is open! Chris, let's go! Go! Good luck, Chris! This is a fake ruler!
Wait a minute!
You can go on the slide!
Yay! Even tell me. Eva? You want to fly together? Yeah! That's what I want! Wow! So many sweets!
What kind of sweets would you like? What?
Yeah.
Oi.
I owed him up.
Bye. My.
Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious, bro.
What? Oopsie.
Paul is not allowed at the pool.
Oopsie. Michael, wait. Where's our pencil?
There's only small piece left.
I think Alice was like.
Prince. Where's he? Let's go and choose the cups.
Alice would like spin color. With my hand? Don't give up and keep searching. Reese, it's not the right key.
Reese, it's not the right
I owed him up.
Okay.
It's not fair, Mom.
Okay.
What? Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious, bro.
I know what to do.
I know what to do.
There's no key. In here? I know where's key. Wow!
Wow!
I found the key. Open it!
Open it!
It should be key sour.
Key sour.
Let's find it. I hope.
I hope